Have you not got any wood chip?
Yeah. Yes. And I got home, when did we go out? We went out on Wednesday last week. Yes. I got back to say, here's the little tree, and thought, I can't see it because there's this huge mound of wood chip appeared in my garden.
Really?
So already, tree
now.
Surgeon is delivering wood chip and just dumping it for
Amazing.
me. And it was oak.
Oh.
Just oak wood chips.
Wow.
A huge pile of oak wood chips. Now, what I have saved for you is a pile about the size of this polycrab.
Of manure?
Of manure.
Yeah, I saw that.
But it doesn't have much bedding with it.
Let me get the post. That's just, oh no, he's just turning around. Because I left the gate open. Actually, that'd be quite funny. Oh, no, that doesn't hide behind you.
Yeah, I know, but look, that one's a nice one. I need that one. I just need that one. Right, so we need to do a finish off.
Yeah.
So we can just, yeah.
Lead the way, Liz.
Okay. So, thank you for letting me appear again today, Hugh.
It's all right. Always welcome.
Thank you.
Especially when there are tomatoes and that.
Tomatoes, right. We've had cups of tea and biscuits, so that's all been good. I have recorded a second video, which will be out very soon, where Hugh and I talk in a bit more depth about some of the things that he's going to be doing in the future.
Am I?
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one. And I also hope that Hugh would stop putting faces. Stop making me giggle.
Have a good one.
I'm going to do that again.
You're going to have to do that again?
I'm going to do the
Okay.
And so...
So, wherever you... Oh.
Do you want to do it? No. That would be quite funny. I don't quite happy
for
you to do that.
No, I'd feel awful.
And so wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I've got tomatoes.
I won't interrupt the next one.
Have I got tomatoes on my lips?
No.
You sure?
No.
And so, where... Can't do it.
And so, wherever you are in the world, what is it? I've forgotten.
Wherever you...
Watching from.
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one.
I was just like this. And then you're like, and so, and I hadn't registered. I was just like staring into the abyss. Okay, I'll enjoy that.
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one.
Why is it always the outro? Please.
It took us about 6 times the first video we did together, and I'm just like, how unprofessional can I be? And he was just looking at me like, what's this woman on?
Wait.
Are we good to go?
No. It's not funny.
It's not funny. This is the serious bit, this is.
That's why it's funny, because it's serious.
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today.
Please stop. Please stop that. It's painful. Okay, I'm sorry.
Are we good to go?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Can we have another cup of tea before we leave?
Yes, I think.
Or at least a wee or something.
You'll have to use the compost loo.
I have used the compost loo.
Good. I'll make another cup of tea. Hell yeah. Coffee?
Sure, thank you.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's decaf. My parents have no caffeinated.
That's all right.
Right. Yeah.
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one.
I can see the side of your mouth. I shouldn't look at you.
You can see the size of what?
The side of your mouth just grabs me turning into
But I do smile.
The amount of times that you and Mark do this in the outro.
I know.
I mean, Mr.
And you've wondered why we just lose it.
Yeah.
Now you know. We've both got bloodshot eyes now.
Just put 2 tomatoes. No one will tell the difference.
I might just do it so if you can not make any noise, I can just be me, if you prefer.
Okay, that's good.
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one. And I also hope you'll join me.
Just do it. I was doing so well.
Mini P in a minute. God's sakes.
I was looking at it, I was like, this is going really well. I thought, just so I didn't look like a psychopath, I'd just look at you. And then I was like, no. And then it's just me like, for the whole of the outro. Do you want to just do it without me?
No, because I've been crying now.
Do you want to do it without me?
Yeah, but my eyes are bloodshot. I'm crying after.
Oh my god, this is the best. Surely this is your Patreon video.
Yeah, this is the Patreon video.
My neck hurts.
What, from laughing and looking the other way? Oh, God.
Oh, you look so sad. Right.
So, Hugh and I have just lost it laughing.
Yeah.
So, sorry if we look a bit tearful here. And so, wherever you are in the world, and
I was just thinking I should switch places with you and just do the outro.
Oh god. I want to see it. I haven't laughed like this for 5 years. I'm joking. Why is this happening?
okay, I don't think we'll do an outro. I think we'll just end it, shall we? Because this is painful.
Oh.
Yeah, perhaps have a cup of tea and then I'll just try and do the outro while you're making a cup of tea.
Okay.
Because I'm crying. You do an outro, but without my words. You just do an outro and just explain I'm not on camera because I've laughed too much or something.
Okay. And so, whoever you are in this galaxy, and wherever you're drinking your tea, I hope it's a good one. And I hope you also join me here again next time for more Gallivants with Miss Byther. That wasn't the
Did you call her Miss Byther?
Yeah. That wasn't the legit one.
In Wales, you're very often known by your address.
Yeah. So, a friend of mine is Ivan Henbant, because he lives, name of his house is Henbant, and you just carry that for life.
Interesting.
It's a lovely wood tradition. Okay, I think I'm ready now.
Are you going to do an outro or am I doing
No,
an
you're
outro?
doing it.
Okay. And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today,
I was doing so well, and then you just come in and spoil the part.
I know, but I need
Wasn't
to
that? I was
leave.
doing well, Loretta.
I'm not looking.
Okay,
because
good.
It's not
Yeah.
going to be my fault. Whatever
Okay.
happens.
And so, wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one. And I also hope you'll join me again next time. Got it! That was enough!